In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily replace an image in the new Adobe Express Design Refresh. Adobe has updated their interface to be much more intuitive, but finding exactly where common tools moved can take a moment of adjustment. To get started, you just need to open your current project and click directly on the photo you want to swap. Once the image is selected, you will see a Properties panel appear on the left side of your screen. Look closely at this panel for the Quick Replace icon, which looks like two overlapping squares with a curved arrow. When you click that icon, a new sidebar will open on the left that offers several different sources for your new visual. You can choose to upload a file directly from your device, search through the massive Adobe stock library for a high-quality professional photo, or even use your own cloud storage options. Once you find the perfect replacement, simply click on it and Adobe Express will automatically swap it into your layout while maintaining the exact size and position of the original photo. This saves you so much time because you do not have to manually resize or realign the new asset. After you are satisfied with the look of your design, make sure to save